Hey everybody, it's David and Julie, and we're back for this week's episode of our Did You Know show. And today we're talking about the sizzling hot Lodi housing market.
Yeah, so we're talking about the month of May. Last month there were 43 new listings, that's it, in the city of Lodi. Compare that to a year ago, is actually down 59%, where we had 105 listings in May of 2020. So it's pretty crazy out there.
Yeah, and even though listings are down, the buyer demand is certainly still in full force. The pending sales increased last month from 77 up to 84, so more homes went pending. There were about 72 homes that sold in Lodi. So with the pending increase, that actually caused the inventory level overall to decrease. Let's take a look at that chart next. So what we have on the screen here now is called the months of inventory chart, and this number has fallen to just 0.5, which means if another home was not placed on the market, how long would it take to sell every single home that's currently on the market? And currently that's about 2 weeks, so relatively fast time frame. And just to dive in a little further on this, in a normal market we should see about a 3 months inventory level, so we're well below that. Let's take a look at how this has caused home prices to be affected here in Lodi.
So in Lodi, while we're seeing the inventory levels remain very low, we're actually seeing the average sales price increase. In the month of May, the average sales price in Lodi was $534,000. Compare that to May of 2020, it was actually $488,000. That is an increase of 9.4% from last year at this time to today.
Wow. That's quite a healthy increase, and I hear in Stockton is similar percentages as well. Let's take a look next at how fast homes are selling for in Lodi. All right, so here on this chart we have two data metrics. The first one down below are the orange bars, which represents the days on market trends. And this represents how fast homes are going from on the market to pending sale. And last month, this number fell to just 20 days. So homes in Lodi are selling on average in 20 days or less. So overall, homes are selling fairly quickly. And what's this top green line we have up on the top here, Julie?
Yeah, so in addition to that, homes have been selling quickly. They've been going pending quickly. They are also selling at or above the list price. So what we're looking at is the sales price compared to the original list price. In the month of May, they sold for 101%. So, on average, they were selling above list price. Again, huge indicator of the strong market we have right here in Lodi.
Yeah, and I just want to reference back just 1 year ago. We're just getting into the thick of the COVID pandemic, so it was kind of a weird market. Things halted for a little bit there. The average days on market back in May of 2020 was 48 days, and so that's quite a big difference between then and now. The market's really picked up a lot of steam. Homes are selling for fast and for over list price, as we can see by the data here. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. That's a wrap for this week's Did You Know show.
If you are a Lodi homeowner and have any questions about this current hot market, we'd love to sit down with you and help you out however we can. Please feel free to give us a call.